Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I have unboxed my Boya MM1 microphone, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the mic on your DSLR. Guys, first of all, you'll have to go to the video mode as it is shown, and then you'll have to go to the manual mode. You'll have to make sure that you make these settings, otherwise this external mic will not work on your camera. First of all, let us fix this mic on the DSLR camera. For this, I have taken the mic and loosened the knot as shown. Now I'll just slide this over the camera. After that, we'll again tighten the knot so that the mic remains in a fixed position. Now let us fix the cable. You can see that one end of the cable is connected to the mic, while the other end, you can see in the side of the camera, you can find a portion where you can insert the external mic. So insert the other end of the cable as shown. Now let us make the changes in the settings so that the mic functions. At first, go to the menu option. After that, you will have to go to sound recording and make it manual. You will see that it is in auto mode, but you will have to make it in the manual mode. Now you can record your video and the sound will be recorded by the external mic that you have just inserted. You can also watch my video on unboxing this Boya MM1 mic. The link will be given below. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, then you are most welcomed, and please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.